coins guys inside. That is 5 centavos. Oh, 10 centavos. That guys, 10. So ayan na guys, ito yung Toyota Revo guys. Tapos ano guys, tanggalin namin yung upuan para madali na namin makuha yung measurement ng ng upuan guys. So ito yung Toyota Revo guys. So yung una natin tatanggalin dyan guys, ano, yung mayroong mga cover sa likod guys. Mayroon na may tatanggalin guys. Ayan o, ayan. Kasi yung ano guys, yung cover niya guys, mahirap na. Tagal na yan guys. Tapos yung bolt niya guys, ano, parang kinakalawang yan sa ilalim guys. Pasensya na kayo guys, mayroong bata dito sa aking likod guys, kaya makulit siya guys. Okay, kasi gusto niya sumali sa dubbing guys. Dinabing ko na lang yung ano guys, para maklaro ninyo yung ano yung ayan guys, tatanggalin natin yung mga bolt guys. Tapos pag pinanggalis ano guys, pataas natin ganyan guys. Ayan yung pagtangka na ano sa ano guys, rev section ng upuan, backrest ng Toyota Revo guys. Tapos meron din sa kabila, ayan. Tinanggalan namin yung bolt para madali lang matanggal guys. Ayan, para hindi tayo matagalan mag-video guys. Dito na naman tayo guys sa kabila. Ayan. So, yung bolt, huwag mong ilayo sa butas. Diyan lang siya. Kasi pag matanggalan natin yun, ito, ibalik natin yung bolt dito sa butas niya. Para hindi ma-misplace. So, dito naman tayo sa likod guys. Ito naman guys sa likod, meron dyan. Saka dito. Ito guys, para siyang takip guys. Pag binuksan mo yan, ayan, kita mo yung bot. Tapos, yan. Pasok naman natin. Ayan. Kasi, mahirap kasi ako lang mag-isa eh. Wala akong cameraman. So, pasensya na. Ayan guys. Shortcut ko lang guys para, alam nyo yan. Dito na naman tayo guys. So guys, medyo mahirap siya guys, pero kailangan natin tiisin guys kasi sayang ang pira. Ayan, hanggang matapos siya guys. Pasensya sa mga cut guys, kasi kinat na yung iba para medyo ano tayo, mabilis yung ating video. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan, hanggang na. So pwede na natin ilabas yung upuan. Ayan. Tanggal na siya guys. So ito yung sa loob guys. Dumi guys. So ito guys, mag-install tayo ng panibagong matin guys. Pero nilinisin muna natin yan. Kailangan natin need to clean this area so I can install a new carpet. So this bolt need to return return all the bolts this area, so the bolt safe. So yan guys, yung next natin tanggalin guys. Yan. So kailangan natin i-fold muna bago natin makita yung bolt sa ilalim. So we need to fold first the cross section so we can find the bolt over there. This is the that, and then you can so you can find the bolt also that on the left side there's the same like this. So first we need to get this bolt. Ayan guys yung pag tanggal ng upuan ng Toyota revo. Tapos yung sa likod ayan, kasi ang dumi na look at it inside the car, so dirty. So we need to clean this first, and then I install new matting, the same like that kind of material, or maybe I change, I put another kind of matting. We call rubber matting, so the dirt cannot absorb the materials. That's my English guys, so sorry for my English because I'm not American, I'm a Filipino guy, and I'm not a Tagalog, I'm a Bisaya. So pasensya na sa mga nanonood, intindihin niyo lang yung ano ko sinasabi ko guys. Yan guys, so tingnan yung mga napakadumi guys. How many years ito hindi nililinis guys. So yan ang resulta ng matting guys kapag hindi nyo nililinis sa loob, hindi nyo nililinis lagi. Ayan yung dumi guys, parang nag-absorb na sa matting. So mahirapan na tayong tanggalin yung dumi guys. So kailangan natin ng bagong matting. So that's the result if you did not clean always your matting. Look at that dirt, so very dirty. So it's very difficult to remove that dirt. So I decided to install new matting, but before I install the matting, I need to clean this first. Need to clean all the dirt, absorb the old matting, and then we put new matting, rubber matting, like a leather, so the dirt cannot absorb. So that's the first step on how to install new matting or new carpet, car mat, for the car mat guys. And thank you for the supporting my YouTube channel, all my subscribers and to all my subscribers, viewers, thank you so much. We need to open this first so we can find which where there's something treasure inside. Oh, there's a coins guys. So you need to count 5, 10 pesos, 15 pesos, 11, 16, 17, 18 pesos guys inside the car. But this is not mine, so I need to return down there. So put there. That's not my coin, so I need to return the owner. So this guys, this is what we call the 1 centavo or 10 centavos. So put their sign. So we need to find another, so we can find, oh look up inside guys. There's a problem guys, there's some rust. Oh, there's another coins, so we need to pick up this. This is I think coins or 25 centavos. This new coins, 25 centavos for Philippine money, and also this I think 5 centavos. So we have to return. To find another, it's a bullfin lighter. This lighter is a very danger inside the car. So we try to. Oh, it's okay. So we need to throw away. It's very danger. Maybe explode inside and cause of fire. So we need to throw away or keep it inside over there or drop outside. So that's guys. And then there's there's only here. I don't know, but we need to clean So okay, and then for the vent, we need to remove this old matting and then clean the floor. Another coins. Oh, there's a button. Okay. So no more. So we need to remove that raw section. There's another coins guys inside. That is 5 centavos. Oh, 10 centavos. That case, 10 centavos in Philippines. But need to put there. We need to respect our money. Our that's my money, Philippine money. So no more. So need to clean this area. There's another pressure. Sometimes I can find like a ring or like a gold or like a diamond. Over there, there's another maybe 20 centavos. Oh, 20 centavos, but we need to clean this. Man, I think this is 10 centavos or maybe 10 centavos. So return that. So no more treasure inside. So I need to remove this row section. Very tight. My fingers. Okay, so then we need to force a little. Then return this bolt. Into this area. Another same like twist. Then hold this area and then pull and see the bolt. First we need to remove this. Use my this area is so hard, very hard. Oh guys, there's so hard, very hard guys. So we need to use our fingers. Like that. Oh, so hard. And then a little pause like that. Okay. Little. And then we need to return this. Good guys, kusgan tayo guys. Okay. Lah, nagkarao ba paibgan mas si Wingix. Paibgas Wingix oh. Kaya sa atin butang guys. Okay. Ato naman ang kliningan guys. Ini lang. Ano siya guys. Nipiyuhan guys, ito na hawanan. So we need to clean this area. Anong kuhaan mga tao, Scott?
Oh, yan tol.
Kaya ito nang basan. Gawa. Gawa eh. Ito yung salak. Ayan. Para dito guys. Tapos this. Op. Stop. Stop. Yun na. Rinso na natin guys yung mga upuan. Ito na yung ginagawa umating guys.